The first step to refueling our aircraft is to actually bring the plane close enough to the fuel pumps. This is indicated on the ground in front of the fuel pump by a yellow arc. Shut the engine down prior to bringing the aircraft inside this arc. Now that the plane's in position, we ground the aircraft using the grounding wire near the base of the fuel pump. Connect this to an unpainted part. Usually on the nose gear there's a spot you can clip onto.
Aircraft.
Now we work to activate the pump. We do this using the control panel to the left of the pump itself.
Okay.
Insert the card with the stripe facing left. Then follow the prompts on the screen.
Press enter to continue. Under low lead, we're going to do a fill up. Enter. Alright, and we are, select letter, November, 4, 3, 1, 2, 8. And the pump should kick on.
Once we finish with the inputs on the control panel, the pump itself will light up and make a clicking noise. Now we work the pump itself. We move the lever on the top of the pump towards the back to enable fuel to flow to the nozzle. Outstretch the hose past the wing of the airplane. This will make it easier to insert the nozzle into the fuel receptacle itself. Squeeze the trigger on the nozzle to enable flow of fuel to the desired level in the wing.
Into the tank.
To retract the hose, first move the lever on the top back towards the front. Then using the button on the side of the pump, press it to wind the hose up on the reel, making sure to try to keep the hose as taut as you can, and also help move it left to right so that it spools evenly on the drum of the reel.
Pumps off.
Unclip the grounding cable from the nose gear of the aircraft. Tug slightly on the cable and it should retract by itself. Walk the cable back in towards the drum so we don't damage the cable. To finish up, recover the control panel with the cover and the strap provided.